Hello YouTube and welcome back to this channel. This is MathStats, and if you haven't done so, take a moment to subscribe to the channel, and of course you can donate to the channel and you can share with your friends, and you can also check out my other channels. They are all in the description down below. Without further ado, let's continue with part 2 of operations on rational expressions. This time we're going to do addition or subtraction. So let's say we have this, we're going to do, I'm going to try to do like 2 or 3 from easy to hard. Let's say we have this, we have 3x over 3x squared. Actually, no, not that one. I don't want to do this one. Let's do a different one. Let's say we have x over x squared minus 3x plus 2 minus 2 over x squared minus 3x plus 2. Well, what do we have right here? Right here we have two fractions and they both have the same denominator. So I want you guys to think about this. Anytime you have two fractions with the same denominator, all you have to do is just add the numerator because the denominators are equal. So in this case, all we have to do is, well, x squared minus 3x plus 2, and we just do x minus 2. And that's it. And this is your answer. That's it. Why? Because the denominator is the same. Then all you have to do is just add the numerator. Now, let's do a different one where the denominator is not the same on both sides. What can we do in that sense? Okay, what we're going to do now. Do you remember how you used to do additional fraction when you were in elementary school? Let's say you have 3/4 plus 7/4, and that's equal to 10/4. Well, it's the same way. So in this case, we're gonna have different denominator, and we're gonna add the fractions together. So let's say we have something as follow. I'm gonna do something. Should I do something easy or hard right now, or something medium? I'm gonna do something that's actually not too hard yet. Let's do this one. Let's say we have they're gonna be long, but it's okay. Let's say we have 2x over x minus 3 minus 3x over x minus 5. So what can we do in this case? When you have two different denominators, what do? You basically find what we call it the LCM. LCM means the least common what? Multiple. So in this case, we're gonna find the least common multiple for these two denominators. And because they have nothing in common, what do? We simply multiply them. So we're gonna have x minus 3 times x minus 5. So that will be the least common multiple of these two. Now, what do we do now? Well, now we're going to divide both sides by a different number. So let's say we do this x minus 3 times x minus 5 divided by x minus 3, which is this one. What do we get? We're going to get x. So if we do x minus 3 times x minus 5 over x minus 3, what do we get? We get x minus 5. So we're going to have x minus 5 times what? Times 2x minus, and then we're going to do the same thing for x minus, for the second one. If we have x minus 3 times x minus 5 over x minus 5, what do we get? We get x minus 3. So we're going to get minus 3x times x minus 3. And so what do we get now? So now we're gonna add the top part. So we're gonna do 2 times 2x times x is equal to 2x squared minus 2x times 5 is equal to 10x minus 3x times x squared times x is equal to 3x squared, and 3 minus 3x times 3 is equal to positive 9x. All that over x minus 3 times x minus 5. X minus 5. All right. So 2x minus 3x is equal, 2x squared minus 3x squared is equals to negative x squared, and negative 10x plus 9x is equals to negative x, and that over x minus 3 times x minus 5. And this is your answer. All right. Now let's do the third one. That's going to be a little bit more hard, a little bit harder. So let's do the third one. And that's going to be our last one. And I don't know how hard it's going to be, but it might be very long. So let's go ahead. Let's do, this one I'm not going to try to explain anything. I'm just going to do it because I already explained everything before on the other video that I made. Let's say we have 2x minus 3 over x plus 5. Should I do that? No. I'm going to do this one instead. Let's do this one instead. I'm going to do this one instead. Let's say we have x minus 1 over 2x squared plus 11x plus 12 plus 2x over 2x squared minus 3x minus 9. So how are we going to do this? Well, this is going to be super long. So guys, take a deep breath. We're going to go for a ride. So what we're going to do first is we're going to simplify the bottom part, right? We're going to simplify the denominator. So I'm going to say, I'm going to just look at the denominator right now. So I'm going to have 2x squared and plus 11x plus 12. So what do we have here? So I'm going to expand the 11x, okay? So I'm going to do 2x squared plus, I say 10x plus x plus 12, which will be equal to 2x squared plus, nope, let's see, should I do 10 plus x or should I do something else? Actually, no, I'm not going to do 10 plus x. I'm going to do instead, because I want to get some number that I can relate to on both sides. So I'm going to use 8x plus 3x plus 12. So that would be 2x squared plus 8x plus 3x plus 12 together. And I get, I'm going to simplify 2x on both sides. And I get x plus 4. I'm going to simplify 3 plus 3, x plus 4. And now I have x plus 4 times 2x plus 3. So that is the first denominator. Second denominator is, I'm going to do that with a different color instead. I'm going to do it with blue. I'm going to say 2x squared minus 3x minus 9. And I'm going to say it's going to be 2x squared minus 6x minus plus 3x minus 9. And guys, if you guys don't understand what I'm doing, I have done that multiple times before, so go back to my old videos so you can see how I explain how to do the expanding the middle number. So that would be, I'm going to put those two together and these two together. So I'm going to get 2x, factor out x minus 3, and I'm going to factor out the 3. I get x minus 3. So I get x minus 3 times 2x plus 3. And now I have the second denominator right here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going back to my original operation. So it's x minus 1. Oh, no, I don't want that part. So it's x minus 1. And I'm going to rewrite this, denominator right here as that. So that would be x plus 4 times 2x plus 3. And then, I'm going to write the second one plus 2x over, and the new denominator is x minus 3 times 2x plus 3, right? Times 2x plus 3. So, do I have something in common? Yes, I already have 2x plus 3 in common on both sides. That means I don't need to write it again. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to write the new denominator, which will be something like as follows. It's going to be x plus 4 times 2x plus 3 times x minus 3. This is now the least, this is called the LCM, least common multiple. So I'm going to use that and divide by the first denominator right here. So what do I have in common? So when I have x plus 4 times 2x plus 3 times x minus 3 divided by x plus 4 times 2x plus 3, I have what in common? I have x minus 3 left. So I'm going to have x minus 1 times x minus 3 plus 2x times, and I have x plus 4 times 2x plus 3 times x minus 3 over x minus 3 times 2x plus 3. So I have those two done. Actually, I have those two in this one. So I have x plus 4 left. So now my actual operation is going to be this one right here. So I have x minus 1 times x minus 3 plus 2x times x plus 4 over all over x plus all over x plus 4 times 2x plus 3 times x minus 3. So now what do I do now? Now I just continue with my addition and multiplication. So I get x times x is x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. Negative 1 times x is negative x. And negative 1 times 3 is positive 3. Plus 2 times x is 2x. 2x times x is 2x squared plus 8x over x plus 4 times 2x plus 3 times x minus 3. So x squared plus 2x squared is equal to 3x squared. Negative 3x minus 3x is minus x is equal to negative 4x. And negative 4x plus 8x is equal to positive 4x and plus 3 over x plus 4 times 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 3 times x minus 3. And guess what? This is your answer. Like I said, it was going to be long, but it wasn't that hard. So if you guys don't understand, put a comment section, and don't forget to go back to my other videos where I explain how to do this part, the expanding the polynomial, because that is going to be very useful for you guys. This is MathStats. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and check out my other channels in the description down below. I hope to see you guys again. Until then, MathStats out.